Imagine two bears investing their acorns in fox shops. One bear earns extra honey because he picked the smartest fox. The other bear earns honey just because the whole forest market was booming. That's the difference between alpha and beta. Today, we're exploring alpha and beta. By the end, you'll see how they reveal whether success comes from skill or from riding the forest's ups and downs. Most bears think good performance is just about earning more honey, but here's the mistake. Not all gains are equal. Some come from wise choices, others from simply following the forest's rhythm. So let's start with alpha. Alpha is the extra honey a bear earns by being clever. If a bear invests in a fox shop that outperforms all others, that's alpha. It measures skill, strategy, and smart decisions beyond what the forest market itself provides. But not all gains come from skill.
Some come from riding the forest's waves. That's beta. What happens when bears ride the market roller coaster? Beta is the forest's roller coaster. It measures how much a bear's investment moves with the market. If the forest booms, the bear's honey rises. If the forest crashes, the bear tumbles too. High beta means big swings. Low beta means steadier rides. And here's how the two connect. Alpha shows skill. Beta shows risk. Together, they reveal whether a bear's success comes from wise choices or from simply riding the forest's ups and downs. The owl, acting as a wise guide, reminds the forest that actual performance is knowing the difference. But most bears misunderstand these measures, leading to mistakes. Here are 3 common mistakes young bears make. Mistake number 1. Bears think all gains are alpha. In reality, many are just beta swings, riding the forest's ups and downs.
Without knowing the difference, bears brag about skill when they're really just strapped into the roller coaster. Mistake number 2. Bears assume high beta is always bad. Sometimes risk brings opportunity, like catching extra honey during a boom. But ignoring beta entirely means missing the chance to grow when the forest is thriving. Mistake number 3. Bears forget the owl's wisdom. Performance isn't just about honey earned, but how it was earned. A forest that grows through skill is stronger than one that only rides waves, and the owl reminds bears to measure both carefully. Here comes our lesson today. Sometimes a bear with low alpha but high beta looks successful until the forest crashes. Other times, a bear with steady alpha outperforms everyone in the long run. That's why understanding both measures is key to judging actual performance. So here's the takeaway. Alpha reveals skill, beta reveals risk, and together they show the truth about performance. Next time you hear about significant gains, picture the forest asking, was it a clever strategy or just a roller coaster ride? Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next Doodle adventure. Trust me, you'll never look at honey the same way again.